Launched October 2021. Marvin, generational wealth is certain. What the fuck is that? Never heard of it. Let's have a look. Pancake swap, Uniswap. Oh my god. Generational wealth is certain, but it's trading really low. An internet meme originated in 2021 based on Elon Musk's bossy Havanese dog. What the hell? I could chart this though, because at least there's data. What the hell? Just for shits and giggles, I could chart this. Let's have a look. Marvin. Nope. Marvin. Marvin Inu. Marvins. They've got no market cap info. Fully diluted, they're 1 million. They have a 3,756 trading volume. And price pumped, huh? Let's see. I don't see that here. Oh, there it is. All right. Let's do this for fun. This is just for fun. Marvin. Let me have a look at this token. So basically, Marvin, for people who are interested, is this an internet meme originated in 2021 based on Elon Musk's bossy Havanese dog. Okay, that's it. It's quite a large community. It has this kind of ecosystem. I have no idea. Roadmap to Mars. Right. It's basically rubbish. However, it has a chart, and I can chart it. I can chart the chart and let you know what I think about this token. It launched, it went up, and then it dropped. And at the moment, there's no volume at all. And should you buy this? Is it a good buy? Well, so I can tell you something right now that from the current price to the all-time high, oh my God, it would be a 1,393x if that was even possible. This guy is obviously promoting it. This guy called Greatness. Yeah. Destination Mars, not fading out now. Of course you're not fading out now. You are literally at the lows. Of course you're not fading out. But you should have faded out a long time ago. Because when I look at this chart, your position is heavily in the negative. Basically. That's what I'm seeing. You have $3,000 of trading volume. That's terrible. 2988. That's the all-time high. Let me mark it off. $2,988. This is the all-time high. Let's have a look at the all-time low. Oh my god, it's like crap digits. July the 9th. Let me see if it might if it works here. Can't really tell. Yeah, probably. According to this, it's July the 9th, so probably there. So most of the volume was put in the previous bull market, and it had a nice, it was still holding. Like, what's interesting about the price is that when the token launched, whoever launched the token to the all-time high, they did a 93x on their launch price. So the owners of the token made a crap load of money, shitload of money, yeah. And most of the profit was taken here. There, you can see that because that's the high volume candle, and it's like a hammer into the highs. That's like a market sell. So the price went up, and they had enough increase in value that they market sold. And then what happened was that the price came down. There was a lot of interest because of Elon Musk. The lows were defended. Like, basically the lows weren't really defended, but the price exhausted. There was an exhaustion of selling. This is what that is, an exhaustion of selling, until finally you got a little bit of volume came in, and then this is like a market buy, and that's like you had two market buys, big market buys. Yeah, don't know who that is. Can't tell you who that is, but effectively this came in after the bull market had dropped. So the peak of the bull market was no, this is all in the bear market, 22. So this is towards the end of the bear. So basically this is when FTX was going under, sentiment was bad. This meme was going up. I don't know why it was going up. It's very weird. And then you had someone who market sold here on the 5th of June 23. So last year, on that week, you had a market sell. Someone just dumped, and there was no interest, literally no interest in this token. And basically there was no liquidity, and the price has just come crazy low. So from that point where it sold, it's down 98%. Yeah, there's no interest. So unfortunately, what's happened is this, that right now you have trapped liquidity in this candle here and this candle here. You have trapped liquidity, and also in this whole range, there's a lot of trapped liquidity. Yeah. What that means is there's a lot of people who still have this token in their wallets or in their bags, but it's lost so much value that most of these people will be looking to exit as soon as the price comes up to a certain acceptable level. Yeah, and the higher it goes, the more resistance there will be in terms of the selling pressure. And that's basically what this token is right now. It's not bullish at all. It's extremely bearish. Extremely bearish. Now, because the volume is so low, it wouldn't take much volume to bring the price back up. But to get through this volume area, you will need volume, because you're going to have a huge amount of sell pressure. You basically, whoever entered here and whoever entered here would be glad to get out at break even, would be happy to get out at break even. Yeah. And that's the problem with this token. So the overall long-term prospects are zero. When I look at the moving averages on the daily time frame, you can see now that it's extremely bearish momentum right now. The moving averages are extremely bearish. Yeah. And I don't think there's any way to fix this, actually. The problem with this token is there's no utility. It's literally a meme, and it was launched on the back of Elon Musk's rubbish BS in the last bull market. Unless Elon Musk will talk about this token literally on his Twitter, no one is going to buy this token. And I think most people who are in this token, who are in serious amounts of negative equity, will be looking to exit as soon as the price comes up. And I think the only hope for people in this token, the only hope is going to be about 4 weeks next year in alt season. And in that moment, you're going to get huge amounts of retail speculating on every single kind of shit token out there. And that's your only hope to exit. And I can already see right now that the biggest, strongest resistance is here. So from the current price, it's about a 71x up, 71x. The price is not going to get above that level. I can't see it. And actually, I don't even think the price is going to get back into the value area low, that level there. I think it's very unlikely that the price gets back there. I think it's more likely than not that this actually goes down even further. Yeah. Because the market structure is extremely bearish. And I think it's very unlikely that the price goes up back into this value area low. I think it will be sold into. The first opportunity a lot of people have to exit at a reasonable loss, they will exit, and there will be massive sell pressure. So unfortunately, this token is done. It's dead. There's no way to fix this. Literally no way to fix this. You've got some resistance here. So, you're not going to go up until you flip that into support. It's impossible. These higher time frame fib levels are magic, and you can't fight them. They just work. And so right now the first level of resistance is holding. the 0236 on the higher time frame fib. Yeah. This candle, it's not crazy volume, but basically what's happened is this. I'll explain. So I think someone probably entered, maybe accumulated in this lower range here. The price went up, and then as soon as it came back down, they just exited. That's what happened. And they exited, and there was no interest to pick up the volume. And the volume here isn't crazy volume. Yeah, so the volume that pulled this price down is 188,000. It's not crazy volume. And so basically what that's telling me is that there was no interest in this token. And I think that's what you're experiencing now, no interest. And so anyone who's caught in this higher range is just, they're trapped. You have a lot of trapped liquidity and there's no way to clear it. And unfortunately, whoever launched this token has taken all of their value at these highs here. They've made a crap load of money. So unless those same people are willing to put the value back in at the lows to bring the price back up, because they believe in the token or they have some kind of long-term agenda, it's basically a dead token, basically.